Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Sketchup tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scale objects like windows, tables, or any building component without distorting their shape or proportions using the powerful FreedoScale plugin. First, you'll need to install the Freedo 6 FreedoScale plugin. Select your object first, then go to the FreedoScale toolbar and click on the icon that says Box Stretching. It looks like a 3D cube with arrows coming out from each face. You need to lock the axis you want to stretch. To do that, simply hover your mouse over the direction you want to stretch, red for X, green for Y, or blue for Z, and you'll see a highlight confirming the direction. Drag your mouse in the direction you want to scale and you'll notice the object stretches perfectly. No weird stretching of window frames, no distortion of table legs. Everything maintains its original structure while resizing smoothly and cleanly. And that's the magic of FreedoScale. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.